I've been comparing Twilio and Plivo throughout 2025, and while both are strong players in the communication API space, they're designed with slightly different goals in mind. The right choice really depends on how much customization you need and what kind of development resources your team has. Twilio is often seen as the gold standard for cloud communications, but what really makes it stand out is its massive infrastructure and ecosystem. Beyond just SMS and voice, Twilio offers email, video, chat, two-factor authentication, and even marketing automation tools, all from a single platform. It's built for scale, which makes it a go-to for larger enterprises or fast-growing startups that want to build highly custom communication flows from scratch. That said, with power comes complexity. Twilio can be overwhelming if you don't have developers on hand to manage it. Plivo, by contrast, takes a more focused and simplified approach. It delivers reliable voice and SMS APIs, but without the heavy overhead. Its setup is easier, pricing tends to be more transparent, and support is often more responsive for smaller teams. Plivo is a great choice if you're a startup or mid-sized business that needs dependable communication tools without the bulk of an enterprise platform. You still get the core functionality, messaging, voice, and phone number management, just in a more streamlined package. If your business needs a full-feature platform that can support highly complex communication needs, Twilio is the better choice. But if you're looking for a leaner, cost-effective alternative that still delivers high-quality SMS and voice services, Plivo is a smart pick. If this review helped you figure out which platform fits your needs, make sure to like the video, share it with someone in tech or marketing, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.